channel. Today we are going to discuss or talk about how to trade futures. I'm going to talk about future trading using KuCoin. Okay, so let's look over to our KuCoin app. If you haven't downloaded the KuCoin app, please, for mobile, kindly go to your Play Store. Tap the search icon, click on KuCoin crypto exchange app. You see, I got it already installed in my device, so you do the same so that we can flow together. Okay, so that is it, fam. You open it. After downloading, you open it. So KuCoin is an amazing platform where you can trade and exchange your crypto, okay, without any authority from the government. So this is it. This is already the BTC section. Okay, this is the interface. This is what you see once you open your KuCoin app. Click on skip. Okay, let's let it load. This is the interface. Okay, I love using black mode, and it's your choice. You can decide to change it. It's your choice. You can decide to change it. So before using the KuCoin app, you have to sign up, and I've dropped my link in the in my bio. Okay, so you can tap on it and sign up using my referral link for you to earn bonus. Let me paste it in the comment section in case you find it difficult to tap on the link. I'm coming, farms. Let me just paste it on the comment section. Okay, let's go back. So this is the interface, and I explained this earlier that we have to, when you open the exchange, we have the exchange aspect of KuCoin, and also have the Web3 wallet. Okay, Web3 wallet is where you do your leverage staking and all this ETH blockchain. That's where everything takes place. But for here, we want to explore the KuCoin exchange app. So first of all, you can check the bottom tab of this app. You can see I have the home page, I have the market, I have the trade. Okay, I have the trade. I also have the futures and my asset. Okay, So now in futures trading we have two aspects of it. Okay, we have the USDT margin and your coin margin. Now the USDT margin, okay, is where your profit and your losses are being shown in USDT. Okay, where your profit and losses are being shown in USDT, in stable coin. Okay, whereas the coin margin is where your profit and losses, maybe for example now about $12 is about 0.0003 ETH. It's not going to show $12, rather it's going to show approximately 0.0033 ETH. That's what I mean by being shown in coin margin. Okay, so for example here, this is our futures. Okay, you can easily tap on here. We have the spot trading, we also have the margin, which is the future I'm trying to explain. This is the future. Okay, as you can see now, we have seen the upside, its rate showing BTC is being short, and the green side showing BTC is being bullish. And also whenever you are positioned, you have not placed a trade yet, but once you click on this open orders, that means you are currently in trade. Position means you might not be trading at now, but you are still doing your analysis. Okay, so everything will be shown in position, coins that you have attempted to trade. But once you place a trade, all your trade is going to be shown in your open orders. I hope you are getting me. So for now, let's get to enable futures trading. You need to read the future terms and services. This one you can do it on your own before you start trading. Okay, this is the margin mode. We have cross. Now the margin mode will apply to the current contract and cannot be switched while there are whether there are open positions or pending orders. Now, what do you mean by cross margin mode and isolated margin mode? Now, cross margin mode is a mode in which all positions share the same margin. If liquidation occurs, all positions will be forcibly closed. That is when you are using cross margin. And what of isolated? Isolated is the margin for each position can be set if the margin ratio for a position exceed 100%, liquidation occurs. So in my experience in trading, I will advise you to always go with the cross margin. Okay, it's safe. Now leverage leverage is in our normal environment. You can say, for example, we are using one stone to kill one bird. That is just like one leverage. But using one stone to kill 10 birds, that is like 10x. So leverage just in crypto trading is just about spinning your profit. And future trading is very risky. So before you start trading, you should be able to trade what you can afford to lose. You don't just welcome in the market and say, oh, I've done my analysis. You must also make your research. It is a skill, not the emotions. It is a skill. You must have the skill in trading before you do this. If you're not really sure of yourself, I will advise you to go over to your demo trading. Okay, practice it over and over again before you move with your live account. Okay, or you can also go for a profile account, because I think there you'll be able to trade with large amounts of USDT, but you must reach the target before you can withdraw. So that is it. So leverage means in this aspect, it's like using one stone to kill 10 birds. Okay, using one stone to kill 10 birds. So if you are trading, maybe you want to use $1 to get $10, that is just like 10x. Okay, specifically that trade supposed to give you $1 is to $1. Okay, just like ratio. But you using the leverage means you are kind of sure of your trade, that your trade won't fail, though you are not the owners of the market. Okay, the trade won't fail. You are not the owners of the market, so you are very sure of what you are doing, and you know what you are doing. That is why you are putting in leverage 10x, 5x, 3x, and the rest. Okay, so you are done with cross market, you are done with X. This is the buy bottom. After setting your load, after you are done with your analysis and you want to trade, and you have input your take profit and your stop loss and the rest of them, you can now do what? You can now click the buy button if it was going in the bullish direction, or you click the sell button if it was going in the bearish direction. Okay, so now we also have limit, market side. You also leave limit order, market order, advanced limit. But for beginner page, we are going to explain only the limit and the market order. Now, market order means the price of BTC currently now is 109,383.2 US dollar. That is the value of 1 USDT. Are you hearing me? The value of 1 USDT is 109,356.3 US dollars. Okay, so that is it. So, and currently now, I did my analysis, let me say a couple of minutes ago, or like 10 minutes. Okay, after doing my analysis, I now say, okay, I want to enter this market now, that BTC is going to pump to $110 in the next 1 hour. Okay, from 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock. Okay, from 11, let me also say from 11:59 UTC to 12:59 UTC, BTC is going to pump from 109,358 $109,385 US dollar to 110,000 US dollar. Okay, you must be very sure. Say, okay, I'm entering this market now. You place your trade. Your trade will be triggered and it's going to show in the open orders. Your trade will trigger immediately without wasting of time. It's going to trigger immediately. So, and it will show you in your open orders. Okay, so after that, if you want to, I might be kind of busy, I might be going to the hospital to see some friends. Okay, I won't be able to place my eyes on the chart, but I believe that BTC is going to dump by 3 p.m. UTC to 4 p.m. UTC. You set everything in order. Okay, this is a profit I want to make. There's going to be a bearish market from 3 p.m. UTC to 4 p.m. UTC. So you have to use the limit, because you won't be on your chart, you won't be watching or one thing or the other. So you have to be very certain you are doing that. Once you place this trade, and it reach exactly 3.3 UTC, it's going to trigger whether you are with your devices or you are not with your device, whether you have power supply or not. It's no one business. The trade will definitely trigger once it gets to 3 p.m. UTC, or else you are there to cancel the trade. That's the difference between trading and what you call football betting and all of the stuff. Football betting, once you bet you can't do it, but trading you have the right to cancel your trade even when you see it's not going the direction. That's why it's nice and it's good to trade, because it's one of the dynamic skill I think every person at a younger age can acquire. It doesn't have gender. You be a guy, be a girl, it doesn't matter. So that's the limit aspect of it. We also have another order type, but for beginner principles I am going to explain only the limit order and the market order. Let me check. I hope you guys can hear me. Let me reply. To this message I'm coming. Coming. So that is it. Okay. Now let's move to the price in USDT. In this trade that I want to, how much do I want to use and enter this trade? Cancel the quantity, order by lot, order by BTC. So 1 BTC, the money you have in your wallet is definitely going to show you. But yeah, I got nothing in my wallet. That's why it's showing 0.00 USDT. If not, the price here would have reflected. Okay, setting your take profit and stop loss. Okay, before we do this, can we now head over to the chart? This is the chart. I hope you can see. Above the 3x icon, you can see 2 candlesticks. Okay, with wicks, with crypto wicks, top and bottom. So let's click it. Wow, this is it. Okay, these are the charts. This is BTC chart. Okay, from here we can have the coin info if you want to know the market cap of BTC, the current market supply, the circulating supply, all-time high. These are things that maybe you feel lazy to minimize and go to your browser. You can just come in here, check everything that is here about the token you're about to trade. Not only BTC, we have a lot of tokens. Okay, we have new tokens, we have coins coin market cap, we have news, that is new launch token from different exchanges or new launch token that are being listed out on KuCoin exchange. So you can see OGUSD Perpetua just listed. Have you seen? These are the new ones. Are you seeing? They are new. That is why their chart are no more much that way. Okay, it was listed at 7.11 and liquidation has taken place to 1.7. That was massive bearish market. If you would have entered this trade, I think you would have make some profit. But you remember, you must trade what you can afford to lose. Okay, so we're talking about BTC. Let's check it out. The chart. Okay, this is it. Now in trading, we have I'm coming. When I change this, this is the time frame. You can decide to add the time frame you want. You removed 8 hours, you can put 1 minute. It will definitely show. Okay, I was trying to change it from the line to the candlesticks. So currently we were talking about BTC. So 1 minute ago, this is how the chart looks like. 5 minutes, the chart pattern will change. 15 minutes can never be the same like 5 minutes. 30 minutes doesn't look the same like 5 minutes. So the best part when you want to do your technical analysis, I think 1 hour, which is 60 minutes, it's okay for your technical analysis. When you want to enter a trade, you can come to the 15 minutes and the 10 minutes time frame. Okay, we are come to the 15 minutes and the 10 minutes time frame. Let me include that. Let me include 15 minutes, 15 minutes, it is 15 minutes 1 day. Okay, that's okay. 15 minutes time frame, it's where you check the chart to enter your trade. But for you to be able to do your analysis well, sometimes I guess 1 day is okay. From here you'll be able to know the pattern in which the market is going. Okay, and we have a lot of tools, and we also have a lot of indicators in which you might be in which you may use as a guide, as a confirmation entry when trying to trade using future trading. Okay, so we also have this is a chart. You have a lot of candlesticks, and maybe in our next tutorial I'm going to drop candlestick bible, where you can see a lot of trade patterns and learn more about the basics of trading, how trading started. You also have a lot of tools here, indicators. You have the MACD. You also have the MACD. This is the MACD. MACD also helps you to know, as you can see, once the orange line crosses the blue line, I can see it here. Once the orange line here crosses the blue line, that is giving you a signal that the market is ready to go up. Because from here, I didn't mean you check out this chart now. From here, you see the orange line was trying to cross the blue line, and that was maybe, it was about $196.689. It pumped right there. It pumped right there to about $253. That would have been a massive plus 34.02 PNL. That is a massive profit if you took this trade. So MACD also, it is a nice indicator. We also have the RSI. RSI indicator. You can combine RSI indicator and MACD for a confirmation entry. So you see, we have a lot of indicators to use while trading. There's something I'm looking for to show you guys. Okay, this is it. All right, we also have a lot of tools here. Now in trading, we have support and resistance. Support is the maximum, which is always at the bottom. The highest level that the market reached for, let me also say, for 2 days now, and it hasn't passed that level. It hasn't passed below that level. That is the support zone. And we also have the resistance zone, which there is also the level at which the market doesn't pass beyond that particular zone. Okay, so for example, I'm going to show you one strategy. Listen. Coming. This is 1 hour time frame. want to explain something to you guys. Coming, just stay with me. Okay, this is a rectangle tool. You can use it to draw. This is it. That's your support zone. Delete it. Using it. Now, I want to explain the support zone to you guys. To me, I can take my support from here. You have a lot of features here, guys. That is it. You can also okay. Someone says you can't load the link. Let me check. Coming. It's plain. So how come you saying that you can't? Okay, let's continue. I was trying to check. Trying to check. Now, where do we stop? Now, let's go back to our chart. And click on here. Want to draw tools. We need some tools. Have you seen? So that is it. Okay, I already did my what's wrong? Why is it not saying? Just hold a minute. So guys, let's go back. So one of my friends was just trying to, come online and learn a little, but he was facing some challenges. So I have to reach out to him. Okay. So sorry for the delay, farms. So this is it. Trying to show you support zone and the resistance zone. This is it. This is it. This is my support zone. This is my support zone. And also we can take our resistance to somewhere here. As you can see, we can turn that to green, and we can feel it. This one we can change it to red, so that people can differentiate between, green always for bullish, red always for. So that is it. So now from here now, I haven't seen any market for a right time for you to, once you reach here, it's the right time to sell. You keep scrolling it, scrolling, and you keep. Actually, if you have a lot of patience, if this market should reach here, 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 there's a possibility coming. Just wait with me, stay with me. We are gonna do this together. Where is it? This is what I was trying to explain. We can decide to take our support from here, okay, so that there's no how a market is going to reach here. When the market reach here, reach this zone, okay, when the market reaches zone, you can decide No, you delete that particular line. Can decide to take bullish from this one. This is support. It's giving you opportunity to buy, whereas resistance give you opportunity to sell. Okay, so for example, if this market now can decide to pump back to this highest, okay, this is what I normally use sometimes. If this market decide to pump back to here, okay, to this zone, this is a support zone, and there's also an opportunity for you to do what? To sell. You sell again. Okay, that's as easy as that. So now, for example, now for you to say this in your demo, for you to say this in your limit, we can now say limit. When the market reaches this place, now is you can now say currently the market is at $188.008. So you can now decide to say when the market reaches 130.058, okay, after setting this, you know your direction, and go to your 15-minute time frame. If you see in this zone 130.058, you do what? You buy. And my stop loss, I don't know where that feature is. Can decide to set my take profit. My take profit, and that should be green. And my stop loss, you are very certain that the price will not gonna reach your stop loss. It's gonna be 84, or let us set it as 100 USD. So your limit is once the market triggers to 130, you buy. Once you take and you buy at 130.0583, and you take your profit at at 266. For me, that will be my TP2. My TP1, I'll set it to be 209. Okay, TP2 266, TP1 is 209. My stop loss, what? 100. If it reach there, please end the market. If my profit reach 209, 266, please, I'm out from the market. I've reached my take profit. Okay, so now let's go back. Let's go back to our normal. Now this is the Solana. In case you want to trade it, you go back to, now it was heading, you can go back to buy. Remember, we have done our take profit and our stop loss. Our take profit was, we're going to say this market in a limit. Okay, limit. So you're going to say take profit. Take profit. The soul I want to use to enter this trade, I'm entering this trade with one soul. So the profit I'm going to use, take profit, is going to be 130. Okay, take profit is going to be 209, and my stop loss is going to be 100. Okay, my PN is going to be 143%, and my it's very, very big. So I'm very, very certain that this 209 here, which is my take profit, will be my gain. So that is how to set. And once I'm done, if there was money here, I'm going to click, since I've not found my wallet yet, I'm going to click buy. Okay, listen. One, so other value 100, margin 62.78 USDT. Have you seen? Take profit 209, stop loss 2. You confirm. You click confirm. Once you are sure and certain of what you are doing, from there, once the market triggers, since it's limit, it's going to show my position. That means the market has not yet triggered. But once it triggers, it's going to show my open orders. But for example, I want to trade currently at the market price. I say sell from now, just sell, or buy from now, which is going to be lost. And I click the limit, click market order. It's going to show me the market order. That is going, the trade is going to trigger immediately without waiting for, well, is it going to reach 209 or so. So that is it. So maybe in our next tutorial, we're going to explore more tokens and how to use tools, and how to use tools and indicators to trade in future trading. Okay, so that is it. Let me check. You can decide to ask me any question. Okay, Benjamin is here. So that is it. Any question? If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll reply to all your questions. Okay, wedding, we have market, you have the crazy DJ. This one is a new feature. You also have potential trades. You also have copy trading. So KuCoin is very, very nice to use and trade. All right, in the absence of no questions, I think that's all we have for today. Thank you very much for your time. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Bye.